Did you know that the Oppo K13 Turbo Pro packs a Snapdragon 888 processor, making it one of the fastest gaming smartphones available for under $25K? The Oppo K13 Turbo Pro is a powerhouse for budget-conscious gamers, offering top-notch performance without breaking the bank. For those who crave speed and efficiency in their mobile gaming experience, this device seems like a dream come true. Its affordability and impressive specs make it a strong contender in the budget gaming smartphone market. Gamers on a budget will love what this phone has to offer. Oppo is a well-known name in the smartphone industry, renowned for producing high-quality devices that cater to a wide range of users. With a reputation for innovation and reliability, Oppo's lineup includes everything from budget-friendly options to high-end flagships. The K13 Turbo Pro stands out as a significant addition to their budget segment, boasting features that are usually hard to find in this price range. This phone's performance and features reflect Oppo's commitment to quality. The K13 Turbo Pro's processor is a major selling point, but Oppo hasn't skimped on other aspects either. It's a leading smartphone manufacturer that has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible in mobile technology. The significance of the K13 Turbo Pro in their lineup can't be overstated, as it brings high-end gaming capabilities to a wider audience. With Oppo, you know you're getting a device that's been thoroughly tested. When it comes to Oppo's reputation, it's built on a foundation of producing devices that meet user needs. The K13 Turbo Pro is no exception, designed to deliver a seamless gaming experience. For those interested in Oppo's range, the K13 Turbo Pro is definitely worth considering. Its presence in Oppo's lineup signifies a shift towards making high-performance gaming accessible to more people. The Oppo K13 Turbo Pro boasts an impressive Snapdragon 888 processor, 8GB of RAM, and a stunning display that makes gaming a visual treat. Its battery life is remarkable, easily lasting a full day of heavy use. For gamers, the phone's cooling system is a game-changer, preventing overheating during long gaming sessions. The display quality is top-notch, offering smooth visuals and quick response times. In terms of specifications, the Oppo K13 Turbo Pro doesn't hold back. It features a high refresh rate screen that's perfect for fast-paced games. The phone also supports 5G connectivity, ensuring a stable and fast connection. The battery is another highlight, with a large capacity that supports fast charging. This means you can get back to gaming quickly, without long waits. The Oppo K13 Turbo Pro's gaming-specific features are worth mentioning. It has customizable buttons and a special gaming mode that optimizes performance. This mode helps in prioritizing game performance, reducing distractions, and enhancing the overall experience. For serious gamers, these features make a big difference. Moreover, the phone's audio capabilities are designed to enhance gaming. With clear and immersive sound, you can fully engage in your games. The phone also supports expandable storage, giving users the flexibility to add more space if needed. This is particularly useful for those who store a lot of games on their device. The Oppo K13 Turbo Pro's performance in real-world gaming scenarios is impressive. It handles demanding games with ease, providing smooth gameplay and quick loading times. The device's UI is intuitive, making it easy to navigate and find what you need. Camera quality is another strong point, with a capable sensor that takes great photos. However, no device is perfect. One drawback of the Oppo K13 Turbo Pro is its software updates, which can be slow to arrive. Another limitation is the lack of water resistance, which might be a concern for some users. Despite these drawbacks, the phone's strengths make it a compelling choice. When compared to other gaming smartphones in the same price range, the Oppo K13 Turbo Pro holds its own. Its performance is on par with, if not better than, many of its competitors. The phone's features, such as its cooling system and gaming mode, give it an edge. For those on a budget, it's a hard-to-beat option. In comparison, some competitors may offer slightly better displays or more extensive software features. However, the Oppo K13 Turbo Pro's overall package makes it a strong contender. It provides a great balance of performance, features, and price. For budget-conscious gamers, it's definitely worth considering. Personally, using the Oppo K13 Turbo Pro has been a great experience. I've played several games on it, including some of the most demanding titles available. The phone handles them with ease, providing smooth gameplay and great visuals. One standout moment was playing a long session of a graphics-intensive game without any issues. The phone's battery life impressed me, lasting the entire day even with heavy use. I've also been pleased with the camera quality, which has taken some great photos. Overall, it's been a pleasure to use. For those who value performance and affordability, I think it's a great choice. In my final thoughts, the Oppo K13 Turbo Pro is a great option for budget-conscious gamers. It offers a powerful processor, great display, and impressive battery life. While it may have a few drawbacks, its strengths make it a compelling choice. I'd recommend it to casual gamers or those on a budget. Overall, I'd give the Oppo K13 Turbo Pro a solid rating. It's not perfect, but it delivers where it counts. For those interested in affordable gaming smartphones, it's definitely worth checking out. Its performance and features make it a standout in its price range. If you're interested in more smartphone reviews or tech content, be sure to check out my other videos. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.